Hello guys, F1 here, and this is the Echo CS310. It's got an 18-inch bar and chain, Oregon, brand new, 325 pitch chain. We're going to do a cold start here, completely cold. Doesn't burn my fingers at all. So right here's the little switch. We just flip that up. We're going to prime it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull choke. Chain brake. It's ready to be fired up. Alright guys, there was the cold start on the Echo CS310. The reason why it has more smoke is because I dumped a little bit of Marvel mystery oil. I put a little bit inside the piston and cylinder, and I put a little bit in the gas. So it is going to smoke a little bit more. So, alright guys, it's still for one. Sign out, peace. Hope you like it. Comment, subscribe for more videos. Peace.